like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Throw so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley.
The sauce in my drink and I took it. I think 56 nights crazy. I think 56 nights crazy. I think me and Yes go crazy. I think me and Young go crazy. I did 56 broads on the European tour and they was all crazy. I did 56 broads on the European tour and they was all crazy.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. I don't know, probably not gonna say cousin no more because I got tired of the name. But yeah. In today's video, y'all gonna be preparing with me for my birthday. My birthday is next Wednesday, period. I turn 17 next year. What am I talking about? I'll turn 17 next week. And yeah, I'm so happy. I can't wait. I have to record 2 separate videos, so yeah. But right now, I'm on the way to go pick up my friend. I guess she's staying over. So I'm gonna go to pick her up. So I just talk to y'all then. So yeah, right now I'm just putting some gas in. Had to stop and get some gas. She said it went through, but it just said process. So y'all, I have my friends with me right now. We just being big backs together. But we eat American Deli, because that's what everybody wanted. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm doing in my video. I'm gonna get that eating. Yeah. Okay, so hey y'all. I never even really spoke to y'all for real. I did. Okay, I had to set my phone perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna tell y'all everything I'm getting done in this video. But today's Friday. I think it's the 26th. It's Friday the 26th, April 26th. I'm not getting everything done until next week. So I get my nails done next Tuesday. And this video probably gonna be out on a different day, so the date not gonna really add up as much. But I get my nails done next Tuesday, and then I get my hair done May 4th. My birthday is May 1st. My birthday is next Wednesday. So, when I gotta get my toes done. So my nail appointment is at 4:30 when I get out of school. I get out of school at 3:15, but I get home at like 4:40 something. I made 3:40 something. So, okay, so like I was saying, I get home around 3:40 something because I ride the bus home. So my nail appointment is at 4:30. So my nail appointment is next Tuesday. Hopefully I'm gonna have enough time to get my toes done by the time my nails get done. I don't know when she's gonna get done. And I'm supposed to be getting my hair done May 4th in the morning. So basically really everything not gonna be done until next week. I just want to go ahead and start recording early because Tuesday's right around the corner. It's Friday. So I just want to tell y'all I was doing this video because I didn't really get to talk to y'all for real because I was in a rush to go pick up my friend. And yeah, so I'll talk to y'all next week. So yeah, it's like one day later. It's Sunday. I was talking to y'all on Friday. I said I was going to talk to y'all next week, but I guess not because, well, I still am, but I don't know, y'all. But I'm going to get my toes done because this is going to be the only day I can get my toes done because next week I'm not going to be able to get my toes done because I'm not gonna have a ride there. I'm not gonna pay for no Uber. Yeah. So I'm going to the next one with my homegirls, and Tuesday I get my nails done. Y'all already know that. I already told y'all that. But I guess I'll talk to y'all. I'm gonna get some nails done. I'm waiting on them to come back. I just got to wash my face, so that's why my face ashy. It's like, I think it's like 3 something. It's gonna be 4 o'clock, and the nail salon closed early. They close at 6. So yeah. So I guess I'll talk to y'all when I get to the nail salon. And yeah. Just got done doing my edges. Ooh, baby, I need to get my eyebrows done. I think it's too early to get my eyebrows done. I'm gonna wait till like closer to like my birthday or something. Oh yeah, we fucking lit. We are lit. Okay, for real, I'm gonna see how I get to the nail salon. For real. I just want to show y'all my edges, cause period, why not? Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my shoes. Yeah. I look at my toes. I think get them done. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to this line for real.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas.
Made it to the nail shop. Oh my god, yes, I need to get my eyebrows done because this is not it. I got this thing right here. I don't know what that is. My friend, Zaya. I'll be switching it up. I'm with Michael too. He just sitting over there in the chair. Yeah. So y'all, I just went to a new nail salon. Never again. I'm just stick to the one I go to because no, y'all, I don't even like my toes. I'm gonna show you how one of my toes. I'm gonna show you how my toes look now. Y'all, these how my toes look. No, baby, these do not give. I do not like them. But anyways, y'all, I guess I'll talk to y'all on Tuesday because that's when I get my nails done. I think I'm starting to like my toes at the same time. Not. I'm just not going back to the nail salon. Never, ever again. Y'all, like, I don't know, y'all. I'll probably like them sooner or later, but yeah. Okay, so hey, y'all. Today is Tuesday, April 30th. My birthday tomorrow. And my birthday tomorrow, period. I can't wait. I'm not doing nothing till the weekend, so I have to go to my nail appointments at 4:30. But since my birthday's on a weekday, I'm finna go to Rainbow and see if I can find an outfit, just something plain, just something for me to just look cute at school. And I have an outfit for my party, but I just need an outfit to wear at school tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to Rainbow, and then I guess I'll talk together when I get to Rainbow. Yeah. Okay, so hey, y'all, finally made it to Rainbow. Finna find, oh, that wasn't even the name. Finna find a cute little outfit real quick. Y'all, hopefully I can find something. Cause I'm picky when it comes to clothes. Oh my god, they play music. Hope I don't get copyrighted. No, been on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I found because they playing music. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Okay, so y'all, I don't want to be late for my nail appointment, so hopefully I can come back. Hopefully it should be done in time for me to come back. So hey, y'all, I made it. I don't know if y'all can see me because the sun like blazing, but I made it. She said she about to open the garage, so I'm just standing here. And yeah.
Go. Metro. Yo, Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Came to knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame of Philippines. No crease and no stain, no pressure clean. Pass out the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start up going like I'm Mr.
I just got my nails done. I'm gonna show y'all the picture. I think I showed y'all before already, but this how they look. I like them. I'm definitely going back to her because that was my first time going to her. But right now I'm gonna call my sister. I'm about to get some food. I was thinking about Publix sub. And yeah, I just want to show y'all my nails. They're so cute. I like them. This is my first time ever getting they're not really that long, but yeah. I'm at to Publix. The deli closed at 9 something, so we trying to hurry up. But if we don't make it, I just get something else to eat. It's in the bathroom. I just got this in the bathroom because I had to pee so freaking bad. I'm just like, what a bathroom, man. I get my hair done May 4th, so I'm gonna record that too. May 4th is the day of my party, so I gotta record 2 videos. My birthday tomorrow, but I thought this was, and then I'm supposed to be getting a wax too. I don't know. Everything just all over the place. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. I just like my nails so much. They're just so pretty. Hold on, for sure. It's so pretty. I'm gonna show y'all the nails. It's so pretty. Everything's so pretty. Ooh, that was loud. y'all. Hopefully everything come out right. Hopefully my hair come out right. That's the main thing. Y'all wanna see my toes? They okay, I guess. And so now I was gonna get my lashes done. I might just let my sister do them, but I don't know, cause I don't really like lashes. Cause every time I get lashes, I just pull them out. I don't know, it's a habit. And then, yeah, so.
Ever since.
I'm about to head home. I guess I'll talk to y'all May 4th. I hate how all my appointments are on separate days. Like, I could have just been all in one day, but I have school, so I understand that. But I guess I'll talk to y'all May 4th or earlier. I'm not sure. And yeah. So hey guys, I just got home. Today is Friday, May 3rd. I have a wax appointment at 4:30. So I just got to school. So I guess I'll talk to y'all or whenever. I guess my wax appointment. Yeah.
But you've been getting waxes, right?
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what?
So yeah, I'm at the nail salon. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. And I get some shit out after because I don't know if I record. Yeah. So hey y'all, it's the next day. I just got out the shower. You know, my birthday was on Wednesday, so I partied today. But yeah. So I'm just sitting here. My hair, I already got my hair done. They ain't like little flex rods. And so I'm just sitting here with my mother. She said she's about to take me out to eat. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my hair and my outfit and everything when I get dressed up like that. By the way, y'all, I did get my eyebrows done. I got them waxed. I don't know if y'all can see. They look a little better. I got them waxed though. I just forgot to show y'all yesterday. I'm trying to show y'all. My hair is so bad, y'all. My hair done. This is how it look. I forgot to show y'all. It's okay, I guess. So I guess I'm gonna end this video off right here. I hope y'all enjoyed. And y'all see y'all next video. Bye.
56 bars all in 1 month, nigga, and I'm still drinking. I can still see the scar on nigga hand, man, shit real crazy. I've been taking these